What you got?
Hey, so I have a quick demo for the ceramic integration for gasless voting in a decentralized way. So here on the left, I'm just gonna log in on a browser, and this is like my main address, and this is on Firefox with another address, just a dev address. So I can also log in there. Okay. I'll go ahead and create an election. So QD dog food, let's say, pudding. I'll distribute 0.2, I think, and I'm gonna give 5 votes for all the participants. So I'll be a participant. So I'm gonna add myself, and I'll also add this guy here. Just making sure this is the right one. All right. So we are gonna be only 2 in this selection in 0.2 matic will be distributed. So as I am the admin, I'm creating the selection on chain. Transaction is going through. Okay. Transaction confirmed. Awesome. I can already see it here. So we'll go ahead and start voting with this guy. He has less tokens, so he's gonna just vote for himself. All right. And this is where the ceramic logic should happen. So I should have a prompt to connect my address to my decentralized DID. Hopefully. Okay. Apparently my
That's
vote.
dog fooding.
Apparently I'm already logged in for some reason,
Okay.
and my vote went through, I think. I'll just make sure in the console, but looks like it. Yeah. So everything is fine. And here the admin is gonna also vote like everything for this guy. So I'll vote here. That's what we should have. So on the other page. So this is requesting to interact with my decentralized identity. I accept it. Sign it. So it was because I wasn't logged out automatically, but here I was. And the vote is being created on Ceramic, and we are requesting an anchor. So it means that every 12 hours, Ceramic is gonna grab some transactions that has been requested as anchors, and they're gonna go through. They're gonna be batched in the Ethereum blockchain. So yeah, basically this guy voted 5 and this one as well. So I'm gonna end the election. That by the way, this end feature might be up to change. There's some UI changes I need to make. There's no UI display regarding what is going on. I'm just gonna click on distribute. So again, it's asking me to interact with my decentralized identity because it's checking all the votes from the different candidates and yeah, requesting me to pay out. Is yes query not found. Okay. Interesting. Let's try again.
Nothing like live demos. Maybe try
gas.
upping the priority fee or gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
I think that's okay. Yeah, I received the tokens 0.2
Great.
matic. yeah, there are some
Wonderful.
UI bugs and improvements and errors to catch and all that for sure. But yeah, I also know that you are working on changing some UI components on this
Right.
project. So yeah, I just wanted to have the whole mechanism working and have kind of decentralized alternative to
That is
a
awesome.
server.
So can you go over just quickly for those that might not know, what is ceramic? Why use it for this protocol? What benefits does it have? Maybe cons as well. Just real quick.
Yeah, sure. So, Ceramic is a decentralized storage solution. It's built on top of IPFS. They handle the pinning for you, and they have like utility functions. And you can create. It helps you to structure your data model as you would, let's say, with a centralized DB. Maybe you would use an ORM to define your entities. Here in this case, it's JSON schemas, and those JSON schemas are usable by other projects. So when I create an entity, like other dApps can use the same definition, and they could retrieve the data from this dApp, and yeah, so it allows this kind of interoperability between dApps, which is pretty cool. And then they provide like yeah, authentication with FreeID Connect, which is focused around the ID. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you have any question, feel free to reach out. And the cool thing about that is that there's no centralized server that we need to manage. It's a gateway that we are making requests to, and that gateway has probably, I don't know, a load balancer, or I don't really know what is their architecture, but I know that they have multiple nodes, and yeah, they handle that this way.
And this is implemented in order to completely make for gasless elections that are still in a decentralized and immutable way, right?
Right, exactly. And also because the user is owning the data, the admin couldn't change the vote of a specific person. Only so the user is the owner of the data, and only him has access to it.
Awesome.
Like
It sounds like
regarding
with
the
this.
edits, just to clarify.
Oh, yeah. It sounds like with this interop. It sounds like this could have some implications for like tip party too, right? Like because the other day we were discussing how we can like take elections or tip party participants and like use those in between, like use both
Right.
at once for quadratic diplomacy as well as tip party. If you're participating in tip party, you can be automatically added to an election in quadratic diplomacy and so on. So
Completely.
that sounds like it could definitely have, yeah, it could definitely have some pretty good implications for some of the other stuff that the Moonshot's working on. That is awesome. Great
Right.
work.
Cool. Thank you.